Shaw, Michelle, Barber, Little, Williamson, Stanton, Gamble, and Morrison. Barber's coming out nicely in lane 4. Be watching Kayla Barber. Barber's still out in front. She's in lane 4. Third in the Big East, fourth in the 100-meter hurdles. Barber now be watching Little and Williamson coming up. Barber, Williamson, and Little. Barber and Little. Here's Little. Shamir Little. She has the kick. Little and Barber. It's going to be Little of Barber and Williamson. Little of Barber and Williamson. Let's check that time, ladies and gentlemen. 57 and 44.